Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use AI on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on advanced features. Now just tap on intelligent features. Now as you can see, these are all the AI features on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, you have the option for object eraser. Now, what this option does, that it erases unwanted objects from your photos. Now, you have the option for edit suggestions. Now, what this option does is that it uses AI on your smartphone to suggest some edits for your photos. Now, if you scroll down, you will find the option for custom filters. Now, this feature uses AI within the camera app to create custom filters based on the style of the image which you have referenced. Now, also you have the option for AI select. Now, what this option does is that it uses AI to select anything on the screen. Now, as you can see, the last option is read aloud. Now, with this feature, you can listen to articles and web pages like they are your own personal podcasts. And this is how you can use AI in the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.